Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to leave a video message to your friends and family. It is very simple, like you are using a voicemail. You are leaving a voicemail message to your friends. You can do that with video by using the FaceTime application. Stay tuned. Okay guys, now with iOS 17 you can leave a video message to your friends and family using the FaceTime app. Suppose that you try to call your friends and family on FaceTime and they're not responding, you can leave a video message. But again, both parties must be running iOS 17. It is very important. If you don't have iOS 17, it's not gonna work. For example, I'm running iOS 17. If whoever I'm calling doesn't have iOS 17 on the device, it is not gonna work. So both parties must be running iOS 17, and it's very simple, and let's go and do it. So I go to the FaceTime app, I click here, and then I make a call. So right now I'm calling somebody, I'm calling my daughter here. If she doesn't answer, I will be able to leave a video message. And let's try again. And as you can see it here, so she didn't answer, which means that I can leave a video message. And as you can see it here, all I have to do is just tap on record video, and from here I go ahead and type on that. And then as you can see, this is the countdown. Once it reaches 0, I can leave a voice message. So let's go and do it. Hey baby, how are you? This is Dad. I'm calling you to see how you're doing. I'm calling you through FaceTime, but apparently you're not available right now. So that's the reason why I'm leaving you this video message. So when you get it, you can call me back, you can message me, you can video message me if you want, or you can FaceTime me. Maybe I will be able to answer. If not, you can leave me a video message. I'll talk to you later, baby. I love you. Bye-bye. And then I click on stop. And when you click on stop, if you're not satisfied with the video, you can click on retake right here. So it's gonna be redone. So if you're satisfied with the message, you can just hit send. But I'm gonna save it here first. You can save it on your device, and then you can click on send. All right. So a message has been sent. Now I'm gonna go to my photos. The video should be in there. All right. Let's go back. So I go to my photos, and as you can see it here, this is the video. So when I click on it, you're gonna see that it's gonna start playing message. So let's go and do it. Hey baby, how are you? This is Dad. I'm calling to see how you're doing. I'm calling you through FaceTime, but apparently you're not available right now. So that's the reason why I'm leaving you this video message. So when you get it, you can call me back, you can message me, you can video message me if you want, or you can FaceTime me, maybe I will be able to answer. If not, you can leave me a video message. I'll talk to you later, baby. I love you. Bye-bye. And then I click. So this is it, guys. It's very simple. That's how you leave video message to your loved ones and friends. So if you try to FaceTime somebody and they're not answering, you can simply leave a video message using the FaceTime app. But again, you must be running iOS 17, and whoever you're calling must be running iOS 17 as well. All right, guys. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and smash that notification bell for more videos. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.